So first of all, why am I in the 52 and not the 12? Well, I didn't qualify into session 2. I qualified 31st. And in the middle of qualifying, Todd Peck went under me and nudged me out of the way. Not a surprise. Alright, second race. Let's get this thing started. And I'm in the 52, not the 12. Let's go racing. Alright, after the restart. I don't get why I don't have the 12 truck. And also, it's a higher requirement. Got a little loose there. I touched the grass. I hit the wall, too. I need to learn how to corner the turns better. I'm just in clean air right now. Nothing's really going on. I got in the grass there. Boy, trucks were actually in that frame other than me. Catching up. Only 6 out of 35 laps done. Wow. I did slow it down a lot. Still not realistically, but that's fine. I can see that some are pitting right now. If you look at the position marker, it's 30 out of 31, so I'm not dead last anymore. And look, I'm catching up. How is that happening? Look, I'm on the backstretch at the same time with them. So Peck is right there, but I'm not wrecking Peck out. Like, I'm not even in a full-time drive. I just need to get a seat. And then I still won't wreck Peck out. I got ahead of Peck. I'll just race Peck more aggressively. I need to learn how to choose the best line, because I'm going into the pits there. And as you can see, my back end came around when I braked and I hit the wall. But at least I didn't speed. I'm having problems with the pits. I only took fuel. No repairs, even though my truck is really damaged. And I hope that soon I show the position marker, but guess not. The other trucks were in the frame then. There's Peck. I lost a lot of time in that pit incident. And it looks like there was a caution then. I decided not to. I think I decided to pit, but you know what? I didn't pit. But that's because I forgot to hit the A button and then time ran out. And I realized it too late. So here I am at the end of the race. And it's not working out good. I just need to catch up. Almost there. Almost there. And I am passing, fighting for position under Jennifer Jo Cobb, who I raced her truck last time. 3 wide in one of the turns. Now I'm trying to stick it in there in the middle. We're in the driver cockpit now. Now on a car in front of me camera. Now the helicopter cam. Now the TV camera. And I'm clean air now, just trying to fight for a position. Trying to make the high lane work. And now we're doing a restart. That must have been under caution, but I did pit then. And look at how good I'm going, but I got wrecked. And now I'm just trying to catch up. And I didn't finish as good as I wanted to. And as I come to the line, I get in the grass and crash. 29, not bad. I wonder what they have to say about it. First, here are your finishing results. Ooh, Regan Smith won. Congratulations on that. Don't know if that's actually realistic or not. Alright. Yep, dead last in points. Let's see if it's broken. Surprisingly, Christopher Bell didn't win in this 30-lap race. Yeah. At least I didn't get both. It's wrong. I finished 29th, not 30th. Finish event. How many times do I have to confirm it? You missed out on getting that top 22 finish. Oh, top 22. I thought I needed top 25. Oh well. Don't feel bad, Charlotte's a tough track. Keep working hard and you'll get there. I'm a little bummed out. Alright, let's check the Bar Harbor 200 at... Is that Michigan? Could be. Or maybe it's at Bar Harbor. I don't know. Check for our offer on week 15. Wow! Who'd want to pick this guy up? Nice Motorsports. Who's 45 truck. Sorry, I wrecked him. We could use your help driving the 45 truck at Dover this Friday. Get a top 25 finish, and we might consider working with you in the future. $10,000 for a top 25 finish. A race later. 3-star relationship. Let's check on the teams that you have. One team interested. Only JJCR. 5,000 per race. That's not really much. But I'll see.